I carve a furry little woodland creature that I saw on my way to work this morning, right out on Highway 8.
Furry little woodland creature you saw on Highway 8. All right, that's just great. What is it?
I can't tell you. Part of the fun of the carve is they get to guess as I go.
What do you mean they have to guess? Why would you make them guess?
Well, that way if I screw up, they don't notice.
All right. All right. Now, there's a lot of small children out there. They might not be able to guess as you go along, so why don't you give them some clues to what it'll be?
Yeah, okay. Speed clues for a speed carve. Listen carefully. Has big bush tail, goes hippie hop down the trail during East trying to Peter Bugs Roger, works for energizer and tricks, big floppy ears, big buck teeth, tastes like chicken. Scream it out if you know what it's going to be. Yeah, I think the people over on this side got it. It's going to be a bunny.
It's going to be a bunny. All right. We're doing a speed carving of a bunny.
Okay.
All right, as you can see here, Bobby's just leveling off this block. He's ready to get this carve started. You're all done. What do you mean you're all done?
Good.
You're all done? What do you forgot your rabbit?
No, Sam, I didn't. It's right here. Ears, eyes, nose, the whole bit. See? Thank you.
Hold on now, that's the speed.
Now's the time of the show where you clap, everybody. Thank you.
No, hold on, Bobby. We gotta figure this out. You said you were very specific about what. All right, those are the ears. What's next? Hard part is next. All right. No, you can't show them that.
And yes,
oh, you can.
You want to see it? You want to see it? Wimmo!
Yeah, they're not excited about that. You know why they're not excited about it? Yeah, because you didn't put any detail in it.
You know what? I forgot all about that. Sorry.
What do you mean you forgot about that? What are you talking about?
The detail goes right there in the back.
Okay, it needs a tail, but it needs something in the front. It needs facial features.
Oh, you know what? I completely forgot about whiskers, right? 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 There we go. And I feel kind of bad about missing those two key cuts. I'm going to break out something brand new, never seen before today. Fluffy eyebrow.
Fluffy eyebrow.
Yeah.
Eyebrow, just one. Just one. Where'd you get that idea?
Well, I met Bobby's girlfriend last night and she inspired me.
All right. All right, 3 cuts here. The tail, the whiskers, and the eyebrow. we go. Whiskers, all right. Oh, hold on, what are you talking about?
This next cut is very dangerous, technical, difficult, and dangerous. So I'm gonna need complete silence, all right?
We can do that for you. Hold on, Ian. Hold on. You're gonna cut it. What are you doing? Oh God! Distract him. I can't distract him. No. I can't distract him for this. You got it. What'd you do? You just decapitated.
Fluffy eyebrow, right there.
Oh no, that is not a fluffy eyebrow. That is his furry, fluffy brains coming out of his head because you just decapitated your rabbit.
No, I just irritated him.
You're starting to irritate me a little bit. First, Bobby comes out here and cuts this roadkill looking thing. Now you cut your rabbit's head off. Ian, this is kind of a high point of the show. Carmen, you know that. You ruined it.
You're gonna blame this on me.
Of course I'm gonna blame it on you. This is whose fault is it then?
This is all your fault. I thought that rabbit was fine for all that detail business, and you come over here, waving your arms like some sort of crazy lady, smelling like the south end of a northbound donkey. And my eyes started watering. I couldn't see a thing, and you made me do it your whole.
I made you do it. I made you cut the head off your rabbit?
Yeah, you made me cut a hair too deep.
Okay. Yeah, that's the last bad hair joke I can take for today. Sit down, Ian. Think about what you did. Folks, we're just going to move on with our show here. I've had about enough of him messing around up here. We're just going to get back into our... No, we're not going to the speed climb yet. We're talking... Well, look at what you just ended up carving.
An earless rabbit, who cares?
I'm not talking about the earless rabbit. I'm talking about the cute little thing you're sitting on there.
You guys want to see it? Out of the whole lot!
What are you talking about? No, I'm not talking. The little chair, what is that there?
Seems by accident I carved a little piece of lumberjack furniture here. Yeah, I was amazed the first time I saw it too. Clap, please. There we go. It's a little small for me though, kind of a one-cheeker. Maybe there's a little lumberjack or a little lumberjill out in the audience who'd like a souvenir of the show. But you gotta stand up and down. Here you gotta stand up, you gotta wave your arms there, you gotta scream, me! Oh, she wants it. She put in the effort. Come on up here. Gotta do a few things first. There we go, how about that? What's your name? All right, can you wave to all the nice people over here? And stick your tongue out at all the mean people over there? All right. Is mom or dad here? Over there. Somebody gonna claim this child? You all? Can she have the chair? Oh, that's $20.
No, that's not $20. That's a gift on behalf of Timberworks Lumberjack Show.